Assalamu alaikum dear student. I hope all of you are fine and good. Dear students, in yesterday's video you watched the short vowel sound A and you are now capable to read CVC words with short vowel sound A. Now this is the time to move ahead reading more CVC word, and this is the turn of vowel E. Look, what is this? This is vowel E. In today's video we will learn to read CVC word with ed sound. Ed. What is this? Ed. Now let's join b with ed. What does it become? It becomes bed. Ba ed bed. Now look, what is this letter? This letter is letter F, and this is ed. F ed fed. Now look, this is letter R and this is ed. Ra ed red. Read bed, fed, red. Very nice. Now look, what is this? This is egg. Egg. What is this? Egg. This is the two-letter blend egg. Let's add b before that. B egg, beg. Now l egg, leg. Now p egg, peg. Say beg, leg, peg. Very nice. Now look, what is this? N. Let's write her before that. Her n, hen. Per n, pen. Ter n, ten. Say it again. Hen, pen, ten. Now look, what is this? This is at. Add j before that. J sounds j. J at jet. P at pet. S at set. Okay, say jet, pet, set. Okay, dear students, let's revise ed words. Ba ed bed. Fa ed fed. Ra ed red. Now beg words. Say ba egg beg. L egg leg. P egg peg. Now n words. Her and hen. Per and pen. Ter and ten. Now at words. Say j at jet. Per at pet. S at set. Okay, dear students, now we are going to read these three-letter words in storytelling. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's read. The ha and hen is in the na at net. The hen is in the net. It is a pet. It is a pet. Its eggs are in its pen. Its eggs are in its pen. The pen of her and hen is red. The pen of hen is red. Okay, now let's do the reading drill again. Be with me. The hen is in the net. It is a pet. Its eggs are in its pen. The pen of hen is red. Okay, dear students, keep drilling the reading practice. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.